We are going to make a magic wand. So in your kit, you will find this bag that has magic tricks. And then rubber banded to it, you will find a magic wand. Because even if you're older, you might want to have a magic wand for your magic act. So this is how we do it. You have 2 stars, although yours are prettier than mine. And then you have some ribbon of all different kinds so you can pick. You have a straw, and then you'll need to have glue and scissors just to cut the ribbon a little bit. Notice I took the glue out of this bottle and I put it onto this little thing that had food in it before. I just flipped it over because that looked like a good little cup area. You don't need this much glue. This is too much for one wand, but it's easier to do this project if your glue is in like on a plate or a lid, something flat. Okay, so this is very simple. So what you're going to do is first you're going to take your straw, and you're going to take the ribbon, and you're just going to kind of drag your ribbon. But I know I'm not going to need all of it because that's pretty long. I'm going to take my ribbon, and then I'm going to wrap it around this straw. Got to kind of hold that first piece down there because it's going to try to want to come back up. So I'm just kind of rolling the straw and rolling the ribbon. And then if you want to do a second color, which you can, or a third color, however you want to decorate it, you probably want to let this one dry for a little while before you start on the next one. I'm going to cut it at the end. Don't worry, because you know that glue always dries clear. Too much glue on this one is no problem. I'm going to put a little extra glue at the end there. It will stay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it for a little while and let it dry. And then I will come back to the next step. See? Okay, so the next step is, you might notice, and especially if you want to make more of these, maybe with things you have in your house, I cut a little slit in your straw. So all that I did in each of the straws is I cut like here, here, and then I cut that little piece out because that's the only way that the star would lay flat. Now in this part, what you want to do is be very generous about how much glue you're about to put on this. So you could even dip this in here because it's too much glue is not possible with this. So I'm going to lay it down. The part that has the cut is up. Put it like this more. Then put this in a little bit of glue here so that it has some glue all the way around there. It's a very gluey project. Okay, now I'm going to lay this one on top, mash them down, and again I will hold them. The important thing about this project is that you let the glue dry. You might even want to, once this is stuck and it's staying, you probably want to leave it there overnight, because if you leave it there overnight, you will have a super strong magic wand that will stay together for a very long time. If you try to rush it and you want your magic wand right now, it might fall apart. So that's all you have to do. And then if what you want to do at the end, if tomorrow when it's dry, if you want to like tie some ribbon around it in a bow or just have some hanging off of it, however you want to do it, it's up to you. So enjoy your magic wand.